Hey guys, what's happening? EP hanging out with you guys. Going to do a little recap of today's activity. Actually, just going to capture the tail end of today that I want to bring to your guys' attention. Brought to you by thetradingroom.com. Learn how to trade like a quant and add some logic to your trading. So this was the Turbo Scalp. You guys can see the net results down at the bottom. Did a 10 lot of micros. That's right, using some leverage. Power of micros, being able to go in and trade 10 of something rather than one of something. Gotta love that. Take a look. I got in as we were breaking down below from the bull into the bear zone. So this market, we've had a risk-on environment for most of the day. And then it was very tail end, the last 30 minutes of the trading session today. You can see the market starting to slide, doing a test here right about 3 o'clock. Popped all the way back down to the bull into a neutral trade zone, jumped right out of it, and then started to slide. And then got a qualification. Qualification was right over here, dipping below the lower band inside of a neutral trade zone. So up here is going to be the bull zone. Down here is going to be the bear zone. Okay. RQ levels help me with that. That's the that's the qualification. So the rest is history because I had to stop right up above the moving average, just following that blue line there to help me stay straight. And then watch what happened here. This is obviously the close, 4 o'clock. So that's obviously the reason why I got out of the last position. Of course, futures stay open for another 15 minutes. But watch what happens when I show you what's behind the scenes. I'm going to take the text away and just put the markers up there. And you'll see a green dot. Well, guess what that is? That's the RQ Obos. That is the RQ Obos indicator that is helping us identify an overbought or an oversold market. Let's actually put a capital B, capital S on that. It's exactly what was happening there at the tail end. And so you have a retracement happening. So that's why I covered half of my positions. And then, of course, at the tail end of the session, you got the market closing at the top of the hour. I chose to get out there as well. Now, if I could have obviously held on for an additional 15, 30 minutes, but I elected not to. So net, nice catch at the end of the day. I always say look for another prime time session. That would be the last hour and a half. And in this case, you can see the slide that was actually the last 30 minutes of today's trading session. And again, the results on a 10 lot, that would be 10 micros, taking 2 off at 64.50 a piece, taking another 2 off at 128, taking another couple off at $60, and then the final at 119. That's the net results, and we're going to do a lot of this tomorrow. You guys, inviting you guys in to be part of my guest inside the trading room. Check it out, the trading room. If I can just get this to go over there and jump on it. There it is, thetradingroom.com. Be our guest. We're going to trade tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning. Come on in and watch how we set up, look for setups rather, take advantage of more turbo scalps like I just showed you, do some box trades, do some retracement trading, and of course, number one thing, apply logic. So jump on into thetradingroom.com tomorrow morning in the Trade Lab at 9 o'clock. Looking forward to having you guys there as my guest. Take care, guys.